Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a mystery box from your boys at autoglm, so we're going to give it an open and see what we got in there. So this is the box. I've covered my address because that's heavy sketch, and you know. It's open now. To be fair, the box is inside the box smells lovely. There we go. So look, we've got some air fresheners. Always a good shout. Then we've got wash and protect. Bodywork wash and protect. So we've got in foam and car wash, rapid alcohol wax, and 2 microfibers. Thanks to the boys at autoglm. I should be using it on the next cleaning video I've got. I think it's coming up with a Tuareg, so we're going to give that a go. And yeah, thanks to them for sending some stuff. This isn't an ad, they actually just sent me some stuff, so it's really good of them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be using this autoglm stuff in the next couple videos. I think we got one about the Tuareg, so we're detailing that. And any other projects, well, I need to clean the wife's car again, to be fair. So this will be fantastic. I shall give them a shout out on all the social medias because they've hooked your boy up nicely. Remember, if you need anything, this isn't an ad, but if you need anything, give them a shout and they'll be more than helpful. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.